Hello, and welcome back to New Tech. In this video, you will learn about how to allocate a new unallocated drive. Now, let's get started. First of all, go to bottom left corner and right-click on Windows logo. From the menu, select Disk Management. After entering into Disk Management, right-click on the unallocated drive. Once you right-click, select New Simple Volume. After that, click on the Next button. You can also change the default size from here, but I will go with default and click on the Next button. Here make sure that you select Assign the drive letter and click Next button. You can also enable this file and folder compression if you want a little bit more space, then click on the Next button. At last, click the Finish button to complete the allocation process. Wait for it to complete. Once the process is completed, the new volume will be ready to use. Now, you can check on this PC, it will show that drive. Okay, that's it for today. I will see you in next tutorial with amazing and interesting topics. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel.